In my hand, I have the Insta360, and then in this hand, I have a pole for it. In case you wanted to mount your GoPro, your DJI Osmo, whatever, it comes with this mount as well in the box. Got a 1/4-inch thread on the bottom. It's got this on the top, so it's compatible with pretty much everything. But we're using the Insta360 X5 today, just as a little bit of a test. This is the pole. Oh, also, it includes one of these, so you can thread this in and lock something in there. In the little carrying pouch, you have this pole. This is what we came for. On the very bottom, it has 2 connected holes, so you could loop through a strap in case you want to like hold it to your hand, and then it has a 1/4-inch mount if you want to mount it to a tripod or some other kind of mount. And this isn't just texture, guys, this is carbon fiber. That means it's strong, that means it's rigid. It has a lock to unlock here, and it tells you which way to do it. So twisting it this way is going to be unlocking it. We can go ahead and unlock all the individual parts. That is going to allow us to pull it out all the way. So that's this part pulled out, we can lock that in place. We can keep unscrewing the individual parts and make this as long as we need it to be. And then when we have it extended as long as we want it to, we can just screw these nubs back in to lock it into place. To unlock it, to push it all the way back down, we would just be screwing it out the other way. And this is the pole, and it is rigid. This room that I'm in is really long. And this is the pole. It's also very wide, but I think I can get this all in one shot if I step back enough. It goes from pretty much wall to wall. I cannot go back anymore. This thing is long, and it's really strong. So from the thick end, that has like 0 bend. And then if I hold it from the thin end, that also has like 0 bend. We can jiggle it a little bit and it still stays pretty straight. I mean, you be the judge of that. And I'm holding it from the thin end. I think the next thing to do is put the Insta360 on this, go outside, walk around, jiggle it a little bit and see if it moves. But I'm just jiggling it from the middle. It is rigid. I'm outside right now. I lessened the length just cause that was way too long. But we can go ahead and turn the Insta360 on, start recording, and this is pretty much it. I mean, you're gonna be able to see everything with this guy. And I'm moving it around, so we twist it this way to unlock it. All of this is unlocked. We've unlocked the max length. Let's twist it to lock it. All right, here's a 360 at you guys at the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back towards me. This pole is so long. We can go ahead and push it back. This could probably see the whole flippin' house. It is so tall. This is great, guys. This is gonna be cool for at events. If you wanna see a lot, you just throw this up in the air and you walk around like cars or whatever, for example, and you can see pretty much everything. Definitely a sturdy gadget, and then it's really easy to collapse. You don't have to use this whole length at all. I mean, you can just use it as a small, super compact selfie stick. We can go ahead and twist this part to close it, and then push all of it back in, and then just lock all of the individual parts. So like I was saying, you don't have to use this as one super long kind of pole. You can just hold it like this, and because it's carbon fiber, again, it's gonna be super lightweight. It's sturdy, it's great. You can mount it on a tripod, so it's very versatile. If you wanna pick up one of these for yourself, it'll be down below, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and let me know.